Hey everybody, welcome to GearDemo.com. My name is Russell Anderson. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can. And if you're here today for Ableton, I am going to fix you up. I've got two fantastic Ableton instructors I'm going to introduce you to. First up today is Omar Maho out of London, England. This guy travels the world as a DJ. He actually uses Ableton for DJ work. I thought this was fairly unique. I don't know how prevalent it is. He is so deep in Ableton, it is mind-blowing. I've actually tried to learn Ableton over the past couple of years. Once or twice it didn't take, but this year I decided I gotta make this happen. I took a lesson with Omar. We went for about an hour. His sessions are 2-hour sessions. We went for about an hour, and I had to beg him to stop. We're done here. My mind was exploding. I could not take any more. This guy is outrageous. Full-time DJ, travels the world as a DJ, Spain, France. He's done residencies in Ibiza. I mean, this is a hot somebody. If you're looking to learn Ableton at its most deep and intricate levels, this is the man, Omar Maho, and I'm going to put a link in our description below so that you can connect directly to his session page at GearDemo.com. Second up today is a gentleman by the name of Joker B. Now, if you've been on YouTube, you may have seen Joker B. He's got a really wonderful integration of his guitar with Ableton, and he uses the push. So he can teach Ableton as well as the push. This is a little bit more in my wheelhouse as to what I personally do, so I took a lesson with Joker B, a wonderful young man, also out of London, by the way. We had a great time. I mean, he's doing such wonderful things with outside instruments in Ableton. You need to check him out. I also put a link in the description below for you to see what he's doing, read about him. Either one of these two guys are going to be able to get right in step with you with wherever you are and take you where you need to go. So I'm so excited about having both of them with GearDemo.com. If you're looking to take your skill level in Ableton up a couple of notches, either one of these two guys are going to be able to help you out. Check them out, hit their links, check it out. Thank you so much for paying attention today. Ableton is such an amazing program. Check out these two guys. I'm sure if you're trying to get your skill level up, either one of these two guys is going to be able to help you. Thank you so much for paying attention. Really appreciate it. We've got plenty of tremendous teachers at GearDemo.com. We hope to talk to you again real soon. Thank you. Hi everybody, I'm Russell Anderson, and my job at GearDemo.com is to find you the absolute best private instruction I can find. At GearDemo.com, we're building a registry of private instructors and tutors from all over the world that teach live via video conference, one-on-one, so that you can study from the comfort of your own home. You can ask your questions and hear their tips, tricks, and solutions to the challenges that you're having. We're off to a fast start with some great teachers. I hope you'll get on over to GearDemo.com and check us out.